Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hafiza Maheen Fatma and I am from KIPS Model Town A campus, Bahawalpur. Alhamdulillah, I secured first position in Bahawalpur board overall among all the groups. My mother and father both are doctors and I am really inspired by them. So, my aim is also to become a doctor, as serving humanity is a quite noble profession.
Is brilliance natural or is it acquired?
Brilliance is a combination of innate skills and experience, and partly it is also determined by the child's very early environment. Brilliance cannot be taught, but it can be learned and fostered. You can never become brilliant unless brilliance surrounds you, and KIPS provides you that.
How did KIPS evening coaching help you to convert your weaknesses into strengths and enhanced your potential to score higher in board exams? Share a few examples.
I think KIPS वाकई एक ऐसा इदारा है that converts students' weaknesses into their strengths. सबसे मेन वजह ये होती है कि स्टूडेंट्स को उनके वीक पॉइंट्स नहीं पता होते. But KIPS is such a platform that not only highlights your weak points but also provides a genuine solution for them. My main concerns were writing speed and paper presentation. After attempting a lot of tests, both these issues were resolved.
What specific advantages did you receive at KIPS evening coaching, which helped you achieve this great victory? What were the difficulties and issues you faced during your preparation with KIPS evening coaching?
Talking about the advantages, I really gained a lot of confidence. Teachers and thorough R&T आपको ऐसे train कर देते हैं कि आप बोर्ड में आने वाले हर किस्म के सवाल का जवाब दे सकते हैं and with full confidence. No, as such, I didn't face any difficulties in my preparation from KIPS. अगर कोई difficulty होती भी थी, then I would really go straight to principal office or student care counseling department and they would resolve my issue. As such, कि वो कभी था ही नहीं.
Who is your favorite scientist and why?
My favorite scientist is Abul Qasim al-Zahrawi, the father of operative surgery. He saved literally millions of lives.
What advice would you give to other students preparing for their exams at KIPS evening coaching? Would you recommend KIPS evening coaching to any of your siblings or friends? And what 3 benefits will you share with them to join?
My siblings are currently studying in KIPS and definitely I would recommend it to every student who want to excel in their academic life. Most importantly, the revision and test session and friendly environment and also the experienced staff help you a lot to achieve your goals and targets. For the students currently studying in KIPS, I would advise them to pay a lot of attention on R&T, as revision and test session is a better program for you to enhance your skills and to cover all your weak points.
Would you agree that KIPS evening coaching helped you to achieve conceptual clarity rather than rote learning?
Yes, I agree. At the end, मेरे दिल से वो सारे डर और खौफ निकल गए थे कि पता नहीं बोर्ड के पेपर्स में कोई मुश्किल क्वेश्चन ना आ जाए. I was able to solve each and every question with full confidence.
KIPS Publications provides supplementary study material. How beneficial you found the notes series, the objective series, and other supplementary study material in your preparations?
Yes, KIPS Note series are really very beneficial and I am literally in love with KIPS Objective series. Those helped me a lot in clarification of my concepts.
Which of the following factors played the vital role in your success and why? System itself, experience, innovations, student care.
All these things played a very important role and आप इनमें से किसी भी चीज़ को मिस नहीं कर सकते. इसके अलावा most students feel hesitation in talking about their queries and problems with principals and teachers, but each and every Kipsian is lucky enough to be blessed with such a friendly and supporting staff.
How revision and test session in particular helped you to maximize your potential and further strengthening your preparation to achieve best results?
I have studied in KIPS since my 9th and revision and test session was the one thing कि जिसने मेरी preparation को 50 से boost करके 100 तक किया. Those amazing tests and detailed discussions, they all really helped me a lot. I also secured 3rd position in Bahawalpur board among girls in my matriculation examination. And KIPS ने मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा guide किया और मेरी मदद की कि मैं अपने FSC को बेहतर कर सकूं. And at the end, Alhamdulillah, I secured 1st position in Bahawalpur board in my FSC examination.
Where do you see yourself in the next 5 to 10 years?
In the next 5 to 10 years, I will love to see myself as an expert doctor, a useful member of the society, and a helping hand for everyone, and a best guide for all the students.
KIPS Evening Coaching. Journey to Brilliance begins here.